Hi, I'm just going to show you a few of the things I've made during lockdown. This one is one just going back and forth, which is a pram blanket for a hippie baby. And this is a cushion I made. This is a tapestry stitch, which I can show you in another lesson. It's a bit more complicated, but it looks really nice. A blanket I've made for my son. That's with the doing 2 in each hole, and you just keep going round and round. Oh, I've added some pom-poms onto it to make it more exciting. Oops. There. Special order, as she specifically asked for black, white and grey, and she knew I wouldn't like doing it because it's not very colourful, but I thought it turned out quite well. Here we'll just show you how we use them on a furniture over here. These are some samplers I made when I was practicing the tapestry stitch, which is going to be a cushion. That's this one and this one. There you go. And that's just a few of the things I've made just during lockdown. Hope you enjoyed the video.